So can the Android use Apple Music? Let me explain how it works. Let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe so you do not miss future uploads and videos like this. Well, the short answer is yes, it does work definitely, but I'm gonna guide you through it a little bit so you know what to expect. First of all, you can definitely get the official Apple Music app from the Google Play Store. Even on Android, you can download it as an app made by Apple, and in there you will have the ability to use the Apple Music. So naturally, you have to get inside, sign in, and have a subscription ready. So that's obviously required from you to have. But in order to sign in, you need to know your Apple account. So if you are already an Apple Music subscriber, you have an Apple account already, especially if you have an iPhone, then you can use that one. So on an iPhone, if you have one by any chance, you can go to the settings and tap on the profile and at the top. And this is the account, the email address, which you can use to sign in to Apple Music. So that's your Apple account, right? And you obviously need to know the password and so on, but you can go through it, get inside the application as a registered user. And if you have an active subscription, you can start using the Apple Music. Everything is going to work fine. All of the, playlists and everything that you have made on other devices with the same account should also appear in here. So it should be really easy to use that even on Android platform. So I hope it helps. I just wanted to explain how it kind of works, and for more future guidance and videos about similar topics, subscribe and hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.